I'm going to talk to you about, we're changing the gear here, talk to you about bridging the gap. So I think there is no gap. I think there are just barriers and unique barriers with every system. And so the advantages will be a part of taking advantage of each system to collect the attributes and take advantage of those attributes of each system. So this is an example. This is yesterday's session in the morning. We talked about this. We saw presentations from Victor, 3 Carloses and company about the prevalence of back pain. And it's no secret that Latin America has a high prevalence of back pain. About a third of everybody's affected, and this has to do with smoking, lifestyle, obesity. It has to do with heavy lifting. And the people that are affected have about 2/3. And the other issue here is that the single primary determiner of degenerative disc disease is genetic, 31 genetic loci.